Okay guys, welcome back to my video. Okay, right now we are playing with my friends. That is Trishan, that's Black Dragon and Nemo, and Abhay is gonna come soon. He just completed his attack on my base. What? Oh my god! No way, I'm gonna show you I'm a GT2 TH10. Black Dragon is a TH12 rushed. We say we and GT1 is also TH12 rushed. Dude, I don't have Queen. Yeah, I know. My class CC2 is the best. No Queen, bro. Dude, I'm making a live vid. I am making a live YouTube vid, bro. Dude. Oh shit. GT1. Let's skip GT1. Okay, we're gonna see his attack after we attack my base with my GT1. As you may know in my Instagram, with my GT2, I 2-start my TH12. I'm gonna show you my GT1 base, guys. I'm gonna show you my GT1 base. That's it. Town Hall 12 is very rushed except for the Town Hall. Town Hall is Giga Tesla is going to level 4. I thought I will keep in level 2. Okay. This is the base. Same base for the war also. Okay, he's attacking my Town Hall 12 is attacking at Town Hall 12 and Town Hall 12 is attacking at Town Hall 10. Okay, he don't have Queen, right? He did not have Queen, remember. Okay, even we will also not use a Queen. If he didn't, we will also not use a Queen. Yeah, let's funnel in a bit. Okay, we have 4 rages. It's not like mass drag. Okay, we took out the yeah, the thingy. Yeah, okay. It's a level 2 versus level 2, guys. So that's a nice attack. Okay, let's freeze him. Let's recharge and hit him. That's good. If we even die, if this even dies. Okay, we are one electro dragon is at a waste. Okay, let's three. Okay, we have 2 singles, right? I forgot. Let's sorry. Yeah, we got a king down. Is not gonna disturb us for another electro dragon is gonna down. Let's keep one more. We need to get that one of the air defense. Air defense is just one down. Yeah, we got it. Oh, we got nearly the that thingy. Okay, let's not use a queen. We're not going to use our heroes. Yeah, that's the best. Yeah, let's keep this. Let's keep. Yeah, we need this up. Whoosh. Oh shit. Okay, he got it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's raise them up. Yup, and let's do this. Yup, and yeah, let's kind of use this. No, we didn't use it. Oh shit. Okay, we have. Okay, we may not 2-star it. We made 1-star, but we cannot. It's impossible to do a 2-star. We have an electro dragons, right? That's good. We made 2-star, guys. Holy shit! Those 2 just took out like the whole compartment, bro. The Inferno is it's a very big pain in the game right now. Single Inferno. Come on, Adrak or King, position King, bro. Shit. As I said, I'm not gonna use. Now it's only about percentage. A funnel was a bit wrong, so we are gonna go home with 57% without a queen. As my friend also attacked without a queen. Wish. Okay, wish. He attacked 41% to my base. Let's see the attack, bro. He's at Town Hall 12, as you know. See, he have a grand. He don't have queen, right? He's using P.E.K.K.A. bow bat. Yeah, he is using P.E.K.K.A. bow bat. If he need like he need. Okay. Okay, let's see. GT1 attack GT2 57. Black Dragon attack GT2 52. I won, bro. Okay. In GT2, I attacked without queen. Check it if you want. If you really want. Yeah, I type like slowly at starting so I can say what I'm typing. Yeah, let's attack Black Dragon without any difficulties right now. We need this down. It's not gonna attack us the thingy. Let's make a funnel into like right here and one E drag right here. Let's use a rage. We're not gonna be using too many rages. Oh, we didn't mess up. We did not mess up. We're using mass drags and with clan castle of a balloon and a, yeah, and a drag of level 5. It's not max because I don't have anything max troops till now. Should we do it, guys? Should we do it? Dude, I'm so mad at doing it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Boom. We have 3 more spells right now. We can use. Oh shit! No. Dude, take out. Dude, we need to stop this. It's disturbing us so much. It's gonna activate the freaking town hall. We are okay. One inferno is gonna get down. That's pretty nice. Let's keep this down. This and 1, 2, 3. Let's keep 4 of them. Yeah, 4 is better. Let's freeze them. Okay, as we're gonna use the rage here. I know the CC will not get raged up. But still. Yeah. Can we? No, we cannot take. If we had a Grand Warden near the dragon, we can actually. Okay, let's use it. Oh, our E-Drax nearly died, guys. Okay, we need to use this. Okay. Oh man, I hate this. I hate you. Okay, now it's dead. A funnel. If a E-Drax just went inside it, it's gonna be so easy. I'm gonna attack him one more time afterwards. Okay, no queen, as it is a rule. Let's get the percentage. We have like 8 more seconds until the queen dies. Maybe not 8, 7 seconds, or like 12 seconds at least, or 10 seconds. 9, 8, ready, 3, 2. Oh, it died. Yeah. Oh my god, it died in like shots. Ah, shit. I think we have won the war, but still, you are pro. Okay. No, I'm not. Keep again. Oh man. Keep AGAIN. Dude, as I got 2 stars from GT2 to GT1. It is true, not a joke. Dude, I'm saying I just attacked GT2 Town Hall 10 to this Town Hall 2 star because I use mass dragons. The dragons have a bit more, yeah, it attacks fast. Again, please. I wanna at least 1 star, guys. One freaking. We at least need to do 1 star. Okay, we have 2 baby dragons, right? That's 2 baby dragons. Okay. This is the last attack and we are gonna do. Yeah, and Clan War League is gonna start in nearly like 45 minutes, like 3 quarters. Dude, it's gonna be freaking hell of a war now. Oh yeah. Oh freaking shit. Next, when in battle day, next day is gonna be preparation. Okay, what is doing? Is he attacking someone? Oh, okay. Okay, I may 1 star, bro. If I'm gonna 1 star. Boom, I'm gonna be so. Okay, let's keep 2 electro dragons for cleanup. Not cleanup, I mean. Shit, let's keep it 1 here. I know it's gonna be hard, but still. Yeah. Okay, that is gonna get down. We need to get this workshop down and here and 1 more here. We will use 1 rage right now, as we don't need here. Yeah, this compartment must get down. We are going to use a king to get this cannon right here, means that part of the thing right down there. We're not going to use the freezes right now. Oh, we may not do it. Shit. Okay, let's keep a. Oh, we got it. Let's use the king as a pawn sacrifice. Okay, let's use the ability. Get that. We need to get down. Yeah, let's keep it 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here. Whoosh. Let's use the rage right here. Yeah, this right here. And yep, we need to pause this. Okay, let's get the second star. Yeah, we can get it. We may get it. Come on, let's go. Let's go, guys. We got the freaking second star. Luckily, we have freaking we got the second star. Oh yeah, we got it. We got it. Let's go, bro. Marcy trucks are my favorite star, dude. Grand Warden. Oh my god, Grand Warden is literally getting. Okay, rest in peace, Queen. If Grand Warden is going to be out of range, oh Grand Warden, rest in peace, dude. The eagle actually, oh, it's like a mortar. If you go too near it, it's not going to attack. Oh, I'm so happy for the percentage. I'm gonna get more, dude. Trishan is gonna get shocked. Okay, we may get it. Dude, the king is right here. Grand Warden level 6. Yeah, Black Dragon and my Black Dragon's king and the Grand Warden and they both are mine. Means his Grand Warden and Barbarian King are the same level of mine. His Archer Queen is level 22. Mine is level 18, I guess. Yeah, 18. Whoosh, I can upgrade King, Grand Warden and Archer Queen at the same time. 3 of them. I'm gonna do it like afterwards, to get that eagle archery. We need, guys, this Grand Warden need to take the revenge out of the the things that he have done. Dude, what the they need to upgrade the Grand Warden's AI, even the battle machines. Yeah, and a bit of. Okay, how is this, bro? How is this? Yeah, to start it finally. Okay, guys, that's it for the video of today. Maybe, yeah. And I hope you liked it. I'm saving this goal to, if it may be 12 million. So if we can get the Giga Tesla, I'm gonna max out my these Teslas first. Yeah, Teslas should be maxed up. Next are the Archer Towers I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna do the Archer Towers for sure. And I'm doing in my GT2. Cannons are 12. Okay. I want my Archer Tower to be level 14. Cannon should be 15. Expo should be 5. Mortar should be 9. Bomb tower should be 6. 6. Air defense should be 10. Wizard tower should be 10. Archer tower should be 15 also. These should be 5, I guess. Yeah, 5 means for normal. This should be 8, 9, 10. Yeah, this should be maxed up. And the rest all, that's it, guys. I hope you like the video. And next video is about, it's gonna be starting about my attack war. Actually, this is my first clan, new clan. You can see the warlocks. It's been 9 days. I lost the war yesterday, and we have. Sorry, guys, for the sneeze. And we have created this kind of 9 days ago right now, and we have got to level 2 because it's not a hack. Actually, it's because of the clan wars, clan games that we have got before. We just got before. As you can see in here, I have like many good things. I can skip 20 hours, but I'm going to skip 20 hours at the end. Dude, I'm going to make a video of the town hall getting maxed up. No, or maybe I'm not going to use it on town hall. Yeah, kind of. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We have done many live attacks this time, guys. And make sure that you like and subscribe, as we need to build up your YouTube. And I hope you like the video. Thanks, guys. Peace out.